guys, this is Zion Blood TV.
Guys, I would like you to watch this video. As you can see previously, the video that I just played, where people were like jubilating or something, a lot of bloggers misinterpreted everything and came out and they were like saying that Zion Ministry people, that they were happy that they acquired the land from Mountain of Fire and all that. Please guys, I don't want to say anything. I would like you to hear from the horse's mouth, hear from Evangelist Chukwuebuka and Ozie Obi what he has to say about it, because he came out to clear the air. Guys, watch and be blessed. Then at the end of the video, I'll come back and say something. Thank you.
Jesus is Lord. This short video is to address briefly the clip people sent to me on social media. I'm not really a social media person, but one or two people have sent some videos to me, and it's very embarrassing, very annoying, trying to mock Mountain of Fire. Mountain of Fire is a church of Jesus Christ that is connected all over the world, and with good general overseer, Dr. Pastor Olukoya, a nice man that everybody knows in the whole world. They have not done anything bad by giving us a plot of land of theirs inside our auditorium. We are the one that approached Mountain of Fire. Our auditorium have gone round and that one is inside. And sometimes they need to close on time because of us. And they told us that this is not kind of thing they do often. But for the sake of Christ, the same God that we are worshiping, that they will give it to us. The praises and worship was already going on. As they are packing out, they are giving us the key, and a lot of people we are dancing already because it's the time of our praise and worship. So many people we are jubilating. Not that they are jubilating and mocking Mountain of Fire. And it's very bad that bloggers, because of the money you are making on social media, you will come and be writing things that are not truth, trying to bring us together. I know that General Overseer of Mountain of Fire is a matured man and a man of God. I believe this video will meet him well and he will understand. These are bloggers that are looking for a way to make money online, writing that Zion is mocking Mountain of Fire. People will approach, and out of love and out of the love they have for God and the work of God, they willingly say, okay, we should take over. Remember that God that is merciful is also a consuming fire. When you are writing nonsense, what is not true, to make Facebook money, it may attract curse upon you. Once again, I want to apologize to the Mountain of Fire General Overseer, all the senior pastors. I want to apologize for the embarrassment this may cause them. I sincerely apologize. May God bless you all as you accept our apology based on what people are saying online that is not true. My name is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. God bless you.
Guys, you have heard what Evangelist Chukwuebuka and Ozie Obi said about all the things that was going and flying on social media. This is one body, the same Christ, the same Jesus Christ, the same God that we are serving. There is nothing like you're jubilating because this person acquired the land and all that. Just that some bloggers will sit in their home and making videos just to make money and tarnish someone's image. Guys, you have heard him. That is how it is. There is nothing like Zion Ministry, they are jubilating. Why would they jubilate? The land that Zion Ministry went to them to plead. They are the one that went to them to give them the land. Okay, it's not that Mountain of Fire came to Zion Ministry and tell them, come and buy my land. No, it was Zion Ministry that went to them to acquire the land. And at the end of the day, because of the understanding between the two, the Mountain of Fire and Zion Ministry, the land has to be purchased by Zion Ministry. Does not mean that Zion Ministry, they are rejoicing over it. Please guys, this video is just to correct so many impressions, some impressions, okay? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification. Thank you and be blessed. Bye.